To access the quiz, you're going to click on Assignments. Then you're going to scroll down and click the Blue Oceans quiz. Select Begin. And then all the questions will appear on one page. So the first question is, what is an animal like plankton called? I'm going to select the wrong answer. Then the next question asks the students to order the parts of the ocean from shallowest to deepest. So shallowest would be 1. Actually, I might do it wrong just so it kind of shows you the feedback there. And then the question 3 is, as you go deeper into the water decreases in temperature. That is true. So then I'm going to select Save and Submit. Okay. I chose for it to show you the one you got right and the one you got wrong, along with the response and the different options you could have chose. I realize I spelled C wrong. Sorry. But so it provides you the feedback here. And then question 2, the ordering, provides you feedback and tells you the correct order and what you selected. And then question 3 provides you feedback for when you get the question correct.